Exercise 10.4, fifth question. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? This is the position of Reshma, this is Sandeep and this is Mandeep. And Reshma to Sandeep, Sandeep to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. What is given is distance between R and S is given as 6, S and M is given as 6. Between R and S is given as 6 meter, S and M is also given as 6 meter. What you have to find is distance between Reshma and Mandeep. You have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. For that, we have to consider a circle because they are standing on the circle. And we have to join Reshma, Sandeep and Sandeep to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. Then from the center, we have drawn RO and OS in such a way that OK is perpendicular to this and draw OL perpendicular to RS also. We have to draw two perpendiculars. One is OL perpendicular to RS and other one is OL perpendicular to RM and touching on S. What you have to find is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. That means distance between R and M. Distance RM. For this, what we are taking is OR is equal to OS is equal to 5 meter because it is a radius. And RS is equal to SM is equal to 6 meter. So, and we have drawn OL perpendicular to RS. Since OL is the perpendicular from center to the chord RS, it bisect. So what we can write is RL is equal to LS is equal to 3 meter. Then, so what we got is, we got RL as 3 meter and OL is not given and RO as 5 meter. From here we can find OL. So OL is equal to, using Pythagoras property, OL is equal to root of, which is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is RO. 5 square minus 3 square, which is equal to root of 25 minus 9, which is equal to root 16, which is equal to 4 meter. So what we got is OL is equal to 4 meter. So consider the triangle ROS. Triangle ROS, in which this is the base and this is the altitude towards the base. So we can find the area. Area of ROS is equal to, what's the formula? Half BH. Half into RS into OL, which is equal to half into 6 into 4 centimeter square. Then we can find the area using another side and altitude towards that side. So this is that. So using this side OS and the altitude RK, we can find the area of the same triangle. Area of ROS again is equal to half into OS into RK. Half into OS into RK, which is equal to half into, what is OS? 5, because it is a radius. 5 into X. Listen here, both the left sides are equal, so we can equate the right side because both are of same area of same triangle. So we are going to equate these two. So half into 6 into 4 is equal to half into 5 into X. From here we can solve x. Half and half can cancel. Remaining x is equal to 24 divided by 5 meter. So we got RK is equal to 24 divided by 5 meter. RK is equal to 24 by 5. From here, what's the relation between RK and RM? It is a double. Why? OK is the perpendicular from the center to the chord RM. So, RM is equal to 2 times RK. So, RM is equal to 2 times RK because the perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So, what we can write? RM is equal to 2 into 24 by 5, which is equal to 48 by 5, which is equal to 9.6 meter. So, the distance between, you have to write the final answer, distance between Reshma and Mandeep is equal to 9.6 meter. You have to write the final answer, distance between. This is the final answer. Distance between Reshma and Mandeep is equal to 9.6 meter. Next, sixth question. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Said and David, are sitting at equal distances on its boundary, each having a toy phone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. 3 people are sitting on a circular park of radius 20 meter and each is having a toy phone. What you have to find is the length of the string of each. All are of equal distance. So, this is the position of Ankur. 3 boys, Ankur, Said and David. Ankur, Said and David. So, we have connected all these 3 and we got a triangle. And we have drawn the perpendicular AD, perpendicular BE, AD perpendicular to BC, BE perpendicular to AC and FC perpendicular to AB. What you have to find is the length AB, BC and AC, all are equal. So, what we are supposing is let AB, BC and AC is equal to a meter. So, clearly BD is half of A because OD is a perpendicular from center to the chord. So, BD is equal to CD is equal to A by 2. The reason is perpendicular from the center to the chord. So, we are getting this as A by 2. After this, what we are going to do is, we are going to consider the triangle ABD. This is 90 degree. So, we can find the length AD from that in terms of A. Consider triangle ABD. So, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square using Pythagoras theorem. So, what is the length AB? A square is equal to AD we have to find, BD what? A by 2 whole square. So, we can take AD square We can keep AD square here and we are taking a by 2 whole square to other side. So a square minus a by 2 whole square, which is equal to a square minus a square by 4, which is equal to 4a square minus a square divided by 4, which is equal to 3a square by 4. If AD square is 3a square by 4, what about AD? So AD is equal to root 3a by 2. We got AD as root 3a by 2. That means the total length AD as root 3a by 2. From here we can find the length OD. That's what we are going to find next. So AD means total AO plus OD. So what we can do for getting OD? We have to subtract OA from the total length AD. So OD is equal to AD minus OA. What is AD? Root 3a by 2 minus what is OA? 20. After this, what you have to do is consider triangle OBD. Triangle OBD. Consider triangle OBD and apply Pythagoras theorem here. Consider triangle OBD. Triangle OBD. In triangle OBD, OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. So we got OB square as 20 square. 20 square is equal to a by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2a minus 20 whole square. This is what we got. So here we have to apply a minus b whole square. So it is a square by 4 plus a square, that means root 3 by 2a whole square minus 2 into root 3 by 2a into 20 plus 20 square. So we can cancel off both the 20s and the remaining I am writing on the top. So we are getting it as 0 is equal to a square by 4 plus 3a square by 4 minus 20 root 3a. So what we can do here is 4a square by 4. So it is 4a square by 4 is equal to 20 root 3a. So we can cancel off both a's and both 4's. So we are getting a is equal to 20 root 3 meter. This is the length of the string. So what is given is, so the length of the string is 20 root 3 meter. What is given is Ankur, Sayed and David are sitting on a circle and they are holding a string, toy phone, and what we are going to find is the length of the toy string. For that we have drawn all the perpendiculars from the vertices to the other side and we have taken each length as a meter. So BD is a by 2 because it is a perpendicular from center to the chord. So it is a bisect, and OB is clearly the radius, it is 20. AO is the radius and OC is the radius. First what we have done is, we have taken this triangle and we got the length of AD. After getting the length AD, we got this OD. OD, how did you find? OD is equal to total length AD minus OA. After that what we have done is, we have taken this triangle and applied Pythagoras theorem. From that, we are getting A as 20 root 3. So, the length of the string is equal to 20 root 3.